Hey everybody, Joe Flip here. I'm gonna show a couple tips to use when you're doing music on Zoom. About a month ago, when the whole coronavirus, shutdown happened, a music friend of mine asked me how to hook up her digital interface into Zoom. I've never used Zoom at that time for music, so I assumed that if you just put a digital interface in there, that it'll be fine. So I made a kind of a quick YouTube video, kind of showing her how to do that, and I posted it on my YouTube account. But I realized after she did it that we didn't know that Zoom has these automatic like compression weird EQ settings. So there's a couple of settings that you can disable, and it's better than how it normally is, but it's still not the best. So I'll show you those settings if you want to try that. So you go into your Zoom here, and you go to this top left corner, hit Preferences. Okay, so first what you want to do is, as I'm talking here, you can see how this is just using my laptop microphone right now, but you want to turn this off. So you want to adjust your own volume. So if I'm playing my guitar, or singing, and if it's too loud, you want to adjust your gain there. So if you're using this for like teaching music lessons or doing some kind of performance music interview, again, Zoom isn't the best, but these are a couple options you could improve it. I think using some kind of digital interface is the best case scenario, or some kind of USB microphone, or any type of microphone. So uncheck this box because you don't want it to automatically adjust, and then just adjust your gain here. If you have some kind of digital interface or some kind of external microphone, check that option, and again adjust your gain right there. The next thing you want to do is go to Advanced right here, and you want to disable these options. This one, Auto, is the best option. And then you also want to have this checked, Show in Meeting option to enable original sound for microphone. So you want to have that option, and then the other trick is you want to have the person listening to have that option as well. So leave this checked, have this disable, and this disable. And then what I do is I just go back to make sure that it's saved there. So again, the best option is to have your digital interface or some kind of external microphone. Another option that's kind of cool is these little Rode microphones. It's basically like a mini boom mic. So I'm actually using one in this. I'm recording this from my iPhone right now, so I actually have one hooked up to my iPhone that has a lightning adapter in there, but this is just the standard 3.5mm jack. So what I found out is if you get one of these things, you could plug it right into your headphone jack of your like laptop or computer, and then what you can do is take your headphones and plug it in the back side here. So I did test that. So I plugged this right into my laptop, and then you can. This is my son's headphones I stole from him today. And then so that way you can hear yourself that way, and you could use this boom mic and just have it angled towards you. So that's a good option. The only problem, since everybody's buying so many webcams and so much technology things right now, just about everything is so hard to come by. So really any kind of external microphone should be fine to use. So now I'm going to go to New Meeting, and then what I'm going to do right now is I'm actually going to plug this Rode microphone into my headphone jack. And then I'm going to put the headphones in the back of it, of the microphone. Test speaker with microphone. So yes, I hear that. And then I'm talk so I'm talking right now, and I can hear it come through fine. So that's working. So if you're using some kind of digital interface, you could select that as your microphone. Then join with computer audio. Now on this top left corner, turn on original sound. So that's what you want. So right now it's on. So if I turn off original sound, I don't want that. So I want turn on original sound. Now the person listening to you on the other end, you also want them to choose, have that option so they're listening to the original sound. All right, so right now what I have is I have the Rode mic plugged in. I have those options selected in the settings. And I'm just going to play a couple guitar chords here so you can listen to the difference. All right, so recording, this is original sound and the options, the best options so far. So if you just turn on Zoom by default, this is what it's going to sound like when you're playing your guitar. So right now I am using Zoom just like you would open it up in your laptop. So no external microphone, nothing, just the default settings that you would normally use. So here's what it sounds like with that same guitar. Again, when it comes to Zoom, there's some settings that you can do to improve it, but still, even with those settings, as of right now, the quality it really isn't that good on there. But until they update something, or I would imagine that they'll probably update something at some point in the future here. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions or if you have any other tips and tricks to share in the comments, please do. Otherwise, we'll catch you guys later. Thanks.